Hello everyone, how to email showing as plain text in Outlook. So let's start. So first here I just open one email and simply double click on this email, and here I show you, you can see on the top side the email subject here showing, okay, and with this message in HTML format, okay, HTML format here showing, you can see I just minimize this box and here the clearly showing message HTML. So I'm going to change this HTML to plain text. Okay, I just close this and now go to the file tab and click on the last options, and here Outlook option is open. Then click on the last option, Trust Center, and click on this Trust Center settings, and here click on the email security option, and here in email security the read as plain text option is available. Just click on the first option, read all standard emails in plain text. Just click on it and click on this option also. After that, click on OK, OK, and that's it. Now here you can see your email showing in the plain text. Okay, simply double click on it, and you can see with the subject name, the message in plain text. Okay, so this is a way you can change the HTML to plain text your email. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.